Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2024. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences has decided to award the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with one half of David Baker for computational protein design and other half jointly to Demis Hassabis and John M. Jumper for protein structure prediction. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2024 is about proteins' lives ingenious chemical tools. David Becker has succeeded with the almost impossible feat of building entirely new kinds of proteins. Demis uh, Hassabis and John Jumper have developed an AI model to solve a 50-year-old problem predicting proteins' complex structures. These discoveries hold enormous potential. The diversity of life testifies to proteins' amazing capacity as chemical tools. They control and drive all the chemical reactions that together are the basis of life. Proteins are also functions as hormones, signal substances, uh, anti antibodies, and the building blocks of different uh, tissues. Proteins generally consist of 20 different amino acids, which can be described as life's building blocks. In 2003, David Baker succeeded in using these blocks to design a new protein that was unlike any other protein. Since then, his research group has produced one imaginative protein creation after another, including proteins that can be used as pharmaceuticals, vaccines, uh, nanomaterials, and tiny sensors. The second discovery concerns the prediction of protein structures. In proteins, amino acids are linked together in long strings that fold up to make a three-dimensional structure, which is decisive for the protein's function. Since the 1970s, researchers had tried to predict protein structures from amino acid sequences, uh, amino acid sequences, uh, but this was notorious difficult. However, 4 years ago, there was a stunning breakthrough in 2020. Demis Hassabis and John Jumper presented an AI model called AlphaFold 2. With its help, they have been able to predict the structure of virtually all the 200 millions proteins that researchers have identified. Since their breakthrough, AlphaFold 2 has been used by more than 2 million people from 190 countries. Among a myriad of scientific applications, researchers can now better understand antibiotic resistance and create images of enzymes that can decompose plastic. Uh, Life could not exist without proteins that we can now predict protein structures and design our own proteins can confers the greatest benefit to humankind. 2024 সালে কেমিস্ট্রিতে রসায়ন শাস্ত্রে নোবেল পুরস্কার দিয়েছে। এই বছর রসায়ন শাস্ত্রে তিনজন নোবেল পুরস্কার পেয়েছে। তাদের নাম হলো ডেভিড বেকের, ডেমিস হ্যাসাবিস অ্যান্ড জন এম জাম্পার। প্রোটিন স্ট্রাকচারের প্রেডিকশন নিয়ে তারা গবেষণা করে কিভাবে মানব সভ্যতায় আরও বেশি অবদান রাখা যায়, সেই জন্য তারা গবেষণা করেছে। বিশ্বের সকল জীব, সকল প্রাণী এবং সকল মানুষের মৌলিক মানবাধিকার নিশ্চিত করার জন্য আমি কাজ চালিয়ে যাব ইনশাল্লাহ।